3, 2, 1.
Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and today I'm going to review the Ancel Super Starter. Now this is the BS400 and it may prevent you from getting your vehicle towed due to a no start. So what's inside the box? You can see here we have two plastic zip ties. If I reach over here, you can see I have a clamp, dog not included. Where's that other clamp here? There it is, that's a clamp for the negative. Let's remove it from the box and see what else we may have lurking in the bottom of the box. There you go, you can see it's actually these two Velcro ties, and I really like them because they're very good quality, and unlike plastic, they are much more flexible, so you can use them in a wider variety of applications. So two plastic and two Velcro. Now let's see what else we have there. Obviously we have the manual. Here are the leads, and you know what, let's give it a measurement. Let's see how big this sucker is, because it's fairly big. So here we got about 10.5 inches in length, which is, you know, fairly big. 6.5 this way, and if I flip it on its side, we got about 2 inches. But what's really impressive is the 26-inch length of the leads. Then we have the manual, and if we open the manual, we can see there are 3 ways to charge it. So from your 12-volt car battery, USB Type-C, and from a power bank. So if we flip it here, open on its side, we can see there is the Type-C connection. Here's what it looks like when it's charging, and here's what it looks like when it is fully charged. Now I did really like the body, how it's designed with these sort of slots or whatever here, because it makes it really easy to zip tie. And remember, you can check the app at any time to see how it's doing. So let's install it and see how it actually works in real life. So the vehicle is going to be older VW. I have to move the seat forward, so let's do that. We're gonna pop up this area here. This is where our battery is hiding. And if you look closely, you will see the Ancel BS400 in the background. And here's a screenshot of it, so you can see the idle is good, and it is showing my battery is okay. I use this thing all the time, but I wanted to upgrade to the bigger one. So let's finish taking it out. So the length really helps with custom installations because, as you can see, with longer wires, you're just gonna have more options on placements. And these are about 26 inches, so just over 2 feet and just over a foot. And that's what they look like side to side. So there is quite a bit of a difference. And like I said, the one thing I really like is these things, because it just means you can just strap it to anything, and I love this thing so far, but let's see how it performs. Now it's great we have a lot of room in the Volkswagen Venegun, because this thing will fit under the seat no problem. Now, due to the size of this one, I think it would be great for bigger trucks, but for me personally, I want to use it in my camper van because many times I run the battery down. So for me, the bigger Super Starter, I think, is a total win. And there you can see, it is all hooked up. So let's look at the app. Now you can see at the top, I've named it BS400. You can actually name it anything you want. And if you look down here, you can see there's the battery voltage. And the reason it just turned red is I turned on the headlights and a few accessories. And here is the voltage of the Super Starter. So it hasn't moved because it hasn't been working yet. Now, if I start the vehicle, you can see there it says idle. Now it's discharging because obviously I've just started the vehicle. The Super Starter now will give us a summary of the start. And there you go. Let me blow it up for a bit. There's our discharge current, discharge rate, and cranking voltage. And now that the vehicle's running, you can see both the battery and the Super Starter are charging. Now the app will keep track of your prior start. So here I started it a few times just to show you the discharge current, which is close to 500 amps each time it does it. Now, one of the things that I found was really interesting is if I switch over to the 200 right here, you can see there's the discharge current, and we're in the mid 400s, some of them, you know, high 300s, but we're not that far off. So the BS400 and BS200 perform relatively the same on my vehicle. So what that tells me is under normal operating circumstances, the BS200 is enough for my vehicle. However, this is a camper van and I run my battery down on a regular basis. So that's why I wanted the bigger one. The other main benefit is your battery will actually last longer because it doesn't have to work so hard each time it starts your vehicle. So that is a huge plus. And you can monitor your battery health. And if you look up here, you can see if your battery ever gets disconnected, you will know it. Anyway, that is it for the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I am GarageKing. Thanks everyone.